In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to master gesture drawing using something called the line of action. One of the most important aspects when it comes to gesture drawing is this same line of action. And in this video, I'm going to kind of like show you how to use this in a gesture drawing. So how and where you put the line of action is how your sketch is going to turn out. We have a reference right here, and we're going to see how we're going to apply the line of action. When it comes to gesture drawing, you can add details like I am in this drawing, but you can just go with a loose sketch. You can add some detail to the clothing, this and that, like I am in this video. I'm adding some shadows just to give the artwork a little pop. Gesture drawing is all about capturing the basic flow and movement of your subject in quick expressive strokes. Think of it as the capturing of the gesture or the soul of your subject rather than getting bogged down with details. It's not about being perfect, it's not about the perfect sketch. It's about how you are able to express those movements in that drawing. Embrace imperfections and have fun with it. Pay close attention to the main lines in the pose. The curves and the angles define the movement. Simplify complex shapes into basic forms, making it easier to capture the essence of the subject. Keep practicing regularly and you'll see your drawing skills soar to new heights. If you enjoy this video, subscribe, like, comment down below what you think, and subscribe for more tutorials to come. Until next time, keep creating and happy sketching.